Today we're making my favorite Moroccan appetizer, zaalouk. We're gonna make a fried one and a grilled one. Both are very easy to make and so good, it almost feels like a sin eating them.
First, take approximately 1 kilo or 2 pounds of eggplants. Use a fork to punch holes in them. Little acupuncture to help release the steam. Now place the eggplants directly on open flames, cooking each side for about 5 minutes. And this is how we are going to get that smoky flavor. Next, grill 4 whole tomatoes until they are charred on both sides. Once done, put both the eggplants and the tomatoes into plastic bags and seal them. They will steam in the bag and that will make peeling the skin a lot easier. Slice each eggplant in half and scoop out the flesh. Whether to keep the seeds or not, it's up to you. For the tomatoes, peel them, cut them, and remove the seeds. Now let's cook. 3 tablespoons of olive oil on medium heat. Add 4 crushed garlic cloves and cook until they turn light brown. Then add the eggplants and the tomatoes. Season with 2 tablespoons of cilantro, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and if you like, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. Mix in 1.5 tablespoons of tomato paste. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. After that, uncover, reduce the heat, and let any excess water evaporate. Make sure to taste and adjust the salt. Think of it as quality control or sneak in a snack. And that's it. Let's talk about my favorite version, zaalouk with fried eggplants. 1 kilo of eggplants, remove the tops, and cut them into 1 centimeter thick slices, which is roughly 1/2 inch. We're going to fry them on both sides in 175 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit oil until they are beautifully golden brown. Once cooked, lay them on paper towels to absorb any excess oil. Then take out your frustrations with a masher and go to town on them until they are thoroughly mashed. Then let them sit in a sieve to drain the rest of the oil. We will prepare this version just like the grilled one, focusing on letting our flavors meld together. And we will replace the tomatoes with a 400-gram can of good tomato passata, which is Italian for delicious, I think. And for my American viewers, 400 grams is about 14 ounces. And this is a reminder, it's 2024, maybe it's time to consider the metric system. With this version, we follow the same steps in cooking time. So easy, it feels like a life hack. I decorated the grilled version with sliced olives and the fried version with fried eggplant wedges. Not my best presentation work, but trust me, you serve this on an old white IKEA plate and people will still pause after the first bite to tell you how delicious it is. Do try this at home and enjoy.
Thank you for watching. Make both of them at home. Let me know which one is your favorite. Personally, I just love the fried zaalouk. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. It's a small channel and I'm always here to help. Take care and I'll see you in another video.